conventions in Java. There are certain rules which you need to follow in Java while naming your identifiers such as class, package, variable, constant, method, etc. These rules are commonly known as naming conventions. So why to follow these naming conventions, you may ask? Because all classes, interfaces, packages, methods of Java programming language are given according to the Java naming convention. And if you fail to follow these conventions, it may generate confusion or erroneous code. So long story short, it's better to be safe than sorry. Now let's start with exploring different naming convention in Java in terms of rules. Also, don't forget to like this video. Let's understand the rules. Number 1 is that the name should not match with keywords. Number 2 is for constants, every letter should be a capital. Moving on to number 3, that is class. While naming a class, the class should be a noun. Also, while naming a class with single word, the name of that class should begin with a capital letter. But while naming a class with multiple words, the first letter of every word of that class should begin with a capital letter. Now there are a few things which you should note. First being the naming of names with first letter being a capital letter is known as camel casing rule. Also, except for packages and constants, camel casting rule is used everywhere in Java. Moving on to number 4, that is method. While naming a method, the method should be a verb. Also, while naming a method, the first letter should begin with lowercase letter. While in case of a method with multiple words, the first letter of first word should be small, lowercase, and first letter of every consecutive word should be a capital letter. Moving on to number 5, that is variable. While naming a variable, the variable should begin with alphabet or underscore. Also, it should not begin with a digit. However, it could contain alphanumeric but not symbols or spaces except underscore. Now moving on towards number 6, that is interface. While naming an interface, the interface should be an adjective. Advantages of naming conventions. Number 1 is that the code is more readable. Number 2 is that the code is more efficient. So this is it, guys. If you want more videos like this, all you have to do is just subscribe and press the bell icon and stay updated. Thank you for watching. Here are some suggested videos you may like.